This unit was bomb and banging straight out of the pack. Like every moment of this hair was the bomb. Do you hear what I'm telling you? Having the same exact styling options and versatility as you will with the real coils coming out of your scalp while wearing a protective style, if that's what you call a winter wig. Do you hear what I'm telling you? Now we have some bomb texture on this, a bomb lace, bomb hairline, bomb color, bomb everything. It's just giving naturalness and it looks like my hair. Now if you want to see how I got this unclockable look, then sis, you need to sit here and keep on watching. So this video is sponsored by HerGivenHair, and I love me some HerGivenHair. So your girl is super appreciative. Now this bomb unit that you see me holding is literally straight out of the pack, and she is the bomb, okay? This is one of the Embrace My Coily Life wigs, and this color is definitely standing out. I absolutely love it. Now we do get some combs, adjustable straps, and an adjustable elastic band, and a whole lot of parting space, which I love. Now the texture and the color and the coils, oh my goodness, straight out of the pack. She's full, she's beautiful, she's everything. It does come pre-plucked, so if you don't feel like plucking, you don't know how to pluck, you really don't have to, girl, because it does look good, and that lace looks good. We ain't even do nothing yet, and your girl hype. So when I get up, you're gonna see a little smile on my face because I am feeling it and we ain't even do nothing yet. I did go in and pluck the hairline a little bit more for my liking, but like I said, you don't have to because it's already pre-plucked for you, okay? That's my preference. They do give us some bomb texture from root to tip, and I absolutely loved it about the unit, okay? So we don't got no straight roots. I know y'all seen that before. I can't stand when you get the straight roots and then you get the texture everywhere else. That's mad whack. But I am conditioning the hair. You can do this in the sink if you choose to. I choose to do it on the mannequin. I wet up the hair, comb it through, let it sit under the cap for 10 minutes and get it nice and soft. Now, I'm going to go ahead and cut the lace off of my wig first. As you can see, that lace is looking good and we ain't even do nothing yet. I told you this lace is the bomb. It is the bomb, y'all. The lace had me hype. I will be showing y'all this lace throughout this whole process plenty of times because I'm just like, wow, a lace that I don't actually have to tint. I will not be tinting this lace because there's no need to do it. Like, this lace looks good on my skin, boo. But yeah, I'm just cutting off my lace like I usually do, taking my sweet little time. Your girl blind, I can't see with the glasses, I can't see without the glasses. It's hard to do. Take your time, don't rush it. Make sure you get that lace cut exactly how you need it to go, especially around that ear. That is the most challenging part, y'all. Cutting around that ear because it's an angle that you can't really see in the mirror, but you got to try your best, you know. Part it out with your little comb. Just get it together, take your time, and that's it. But this wig, y'all, just wait until y'all see how this wig starts coming out because this wig got me too excited. I absolutely love this wig. We ain't even do nothing yet, but y'all gonna see. If you are a beginner, like I said, just take your time with cutting the lace. Do not rush it. It's okay to take your time. And sometimes you have to cut up into the hairline area like you see me doing because not all wigs are shaped for your head or hairline. And I don't know, it was just all up on my forehead, so I had to cut into it a little bit. Just trust the process. It might look funny now, but once it's all put together, it's going to look the bomb. So I'm prepping the hair for the twist out. I'm just putting it into some sections just so it's easier to do once I start doing it. And I'm using this cream, this curling cream from Cantu. Oh my goodness, girl, it smells so good. Now my tip, y'all, for getting a bomb twist out is making sure the hair is wet and saturated and putting a nice decent amount of curling products on that hair so it's nice and saturated. That's going to help define the twist out a whole lot. Now, this is my very first time doing a twist out on a wig. The only time I've done it was on my natural hair, and it's been a long time. So I'm going based off of memory. You feel what I'm saying? Because like I said, I've never done it on a wig before, and I'm really excited to see how this comes out. We already know how it came out because we saw the intro, but I still want to show y'all. But my technique is just twisting it nice and tight, 2-strand. You don't want to be mix and matching the hairs. Keep it in that same 2-strand. Once you get to the end, you're gonna coil it, finger coil it in the same direction you twisted it, and that's it. It's really simple to do these twists. Of course, the smaller you do them, the smaller your twist out will be. The bigger you do it, the bigger your twist out will be. The tighter you do it, the more defined your twist will be. So based on your preference, go on that. So if you know, do what you want to do. I want it defined, small twist out. twist or twist out. So that's what I did. The hair looks good. I let it dry overnight for 2 whole days. Now, I've already bragged about it once and I'm gonna brag about it again, but this lace is so crazy natural because this is literally me just popping it on my head, okay? It's not glued down or anything, girl. It ain't tinted or anything. But anyways, I'm gonna start melting down the lace. Now I'm gonna use my Got To Be glue on the sideburn areas. I don't have a cool setting. I just have a low and high on my blow dryer. So I just kind of blow it down a little bit, let it get tacky, and then I'm working on the other areas with my bed head spray. And then I'm gonna go back to that sideburn area like you see me doing because it did get a little tacky, and I'm gonna melt that down too. But everything else, I just use the spray. And I'm going in with some of this mousse just to get it extra flat amongst the hairline. I'm gonna lay that down with an elastic band, put a little heat to it, and that's it for the melt. Now, y'all already saw over and over and over that this lace was bomb, so it really doesn't need this powder. But if you wanted to do the extra step, you can. I will also be adding on my contour shade because I did contour around my face when I did my makeup, so I just want everything to match perfect. But you really don't need even to do this. Like, I feel like this lace didn't even need any makeup. It really didn't need any melting either, but your girl wanted to be extra, so I did it anyway, okay? On the parting space, I will be adding some concealer because I feel like it gives the most realistic looking parts because it's just so thick and creamy. And then I will apply powder right on top of that. Right here, right now, I'm adding powder, and that's just going to keep the concealer in place. And any places I might have got too much concealer or powder on, I fill it in with that. That's it, okay? The installation is super easy, super easy. This hair look good. If you wanted to rock it out like this in a natural twist, you can definitely do that before taking out your twist. If you want to get a couple styles in before doing so, you could get a little wrap and you could wrap it up like this, and boom, girl, we looking real cute out here in these streets. Do you feel me? Like, we have options. All right, so it's time for the takedown. I'm going to use some serum. You can use serum or oil. I prefer serum because it's a little bit more slipperier and easy to work with, and just work it into the hair so that way it tames some of the frizz. You can put some on your fingers, unravel in the opposite direction on the tips so you can get those 2 strands. Once you get one strand, you hold it, you take the other one, you flip it around, and it comes out super easy. Now, if you do a lot of twists like I did, it may take you a minute. My arms are tired. I can't lie, okay? That's what it looks like so far, and it's looking good. If you want to rock your hair out like this, you can too. It's all preference, and I think this is really cute. This is how it looks. It's nice, beautiful, and defined. But your girl here, she like big hair. So I'm going to go ahead and start separating them. You could use your fingers like this, which I don't prefer because it frizzes the ends too much. Or you can just take a comb, a wide tooth comb, and just control more than one strand at a time. You don't have to even bring it down to the ends if you don't want to. But the fluff, girl, the fluff is what brings the look together. As you can see, one side is real big and one is real flat. So she cute, okay? She real cute. Getting my last little finishing touches up in here, and then I'm gonna throw in a little close up so you could see what it looked like again, okay? The bomb and everything. The bomb and everything. Look at this, y'all. Just look how unclockable this is. So unclockable, so realistic. Like, I like if my wig looks realistic, but also I have a realistic texture too, because it just looks like it's growing out of my scalp. From the texture to the lace to the roots to everything. I absolutely love how this twist out came out. I think the color is beautiful. Y'all know I'm a color girl. Y'all know I love me some color on my wigs. I do little 1s and 1Bs, but this color, girl, it's everything. Now you can, if you choose to get this wig, you can do your specifications how you choose to do so. You don't have to do exactly what I got. You don't have to get this color. I don't see why you wouldn't though. All right, see, I'm gonna keep it a buck with y'all, right? I initially did not plan to come and talk to y'all directly through the camera, but I have to come through because I have to tell you, as I'm wearing this in full experience at this current moment, this wig is a freaking bomb. Do you hear what I'm telling you? From the naturalness. I mean like natural AF. Like, this is our texture, and we know this. From the root to the end, we got the full on texture, okay? This unit was bomb and banging straight out of the pack when it was nice and coily, before I washed it, when it was wet. Like, every moment of this hair was the bomb, with the twist, with the everything. Do you hear what I'm telling you? This unit right here, girl, I don't know. Because if you're not looking like you need to get it, you need to. And then what I also appreciated so much was how bomb this lace is, okay? Like, this lace is so freaking dope. to the point that I didn't have to tint the lace before installing this. Like, I didn't have to do that. It was no need for it because it looked so good before I even melted it. Gorgeousness. And I feel so beautiful in this unit. So, oh my gosh. So overall, I think y'all already know I am in love with this wig. It's absolutely beautiful, y'all. Of course, the description box is going to have all of the information that you need to get this unit. And I'm going to let you know like this. You should be sharing this video with your homegirls, your sister, on your social media, because everybody needs to see this. This wig is giving me so much life. And I will be doing an update on this wig. So I'll be trying a couple of things out to see what else she could do, give you a little update, let you know how she hanging in there and all of that stuff. So make sure you have that notification bells on for my channel and that you are subscribed so you don't miss out. But I will see you ladies in another video. So until then, I will holla later.